Hello lifestyler, if you just found my channel, welcome, and if you are returning to my channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for the support here. I'm Lushawn and this is Lushawn's Lifestyle. So I just popped in really quick. I wanted to share with you all my happy mail from you know who, Erin Condren. I was so happy to see this purple box, lavender box yesterday in the mail. In fact, because I had ordered back in, I want to say late September, the 1st of October. So I guess there was some issues, you know, they got a lot of stuff going on. It's super busy, but I have it. I'm happy. So let's go ahead and get into this happy mail. All right, so I am just opening this up with you, so we will be surprised together as to what is in it. All right, so the only thing, let's see here, I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife to break the seal. Yep, so I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day. All right. So breaking this open, and of course I have, first things first, it has the newsletter right off the bat. So I'll take a gander at this off camera. So I'm going to put that off to the side. So we're going to go ahead and remove the contents from the box. And we're going to put the box off to the side as well. Ooh, I'm just so excited. And of course it has the beautiful packaging as per usual. Y'all know Erin Condren does things big. She doesn't go halfway. So it has the cute little sticker that says enjoy, and it's wrapped in the tissue paper that matches the box. I was trying not to tear it, but no such luck. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. And I didn't order a whole lot. I just ordered, as you can see, just my planner. So I'm gonna turn this around and remove, it was nicely bubble wrapped along with the tissue paper. So we're gonna go ahead and move that. And let's just take a gander at this planner. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it. So I just did the pastel colors. I love the way they all complement each other. So it's super duper pretty. And of course I got the silver coil. Y'all know, well, you may not know, but I mean, gold is okay, but I'm not a big gold person. I love silver, platinum, that kind of colors. I mean, I love all metals. I like all metals, but I have a preference for the silver color. So yeah, that is so pretty. So of course you get just your cover page where you can shoot, you know, whatever you want. You can put goals here. You can notes, whatever you want to do, and you can then easily clean that with nail polish remover or hand sanitizer or something like that. So this is the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner, and this is for the calendar year. So this will start January 2020 and end December 2020. That is how I plan out my year. And then of course you have the typical or signature Erin Condren kaleidoscope page with some nice quotes, affirmations. So that was pretty cool. Then we have the month and each month but at a glance on a dashboard, and it starts at July 9th. 2019 and then it ends at December 2020. So that's pretty cool if you want to utilize this. I can tell you right now, I really don't utilize this. I know you can use dots and to map out certain things. I don't know, maybe I will at some point, you know, see how it would be feasible. I mean, it should be something that I should use, get the most out of the planner. but I'll just say in the past, in my past planner, I haven't done that. Also, I want to just give a shout out to those of you who have been using my Erin Condren code linked below. It's because of many of you who have been purchasing the Erin Condren products and using my links that I've been given store credits or a gift card, gift certificate over the past year. And so, you know, I was able to get this, and I also will be utilizing it as well to stock up my giveaway package. I want to do a really nice giveaway coming up close to 1,000 subscribers. So without you, I wouldn't be able to, you know, get certain things and, you know, have an audience to speak to share what I know and what I'm doing, you know, in my lifestyle. So I'm appreciative of that, and I do actually want to give you something back from Erin Condren, and along with other things. I've given away, I've done giveaways, you know, a few times on the channel to meet milestones. So I definitely would like to give something back from the Erin Condren line, because I appreciate those of you who have been utilizing my link to purchase things, and you get $10 off and they give me, you know, a credit. So I appreciate that. I really do. I appreciate it. So here is just your mindset, you know, just to get yourself going, things you may want to do, what you want to start for the new year. You can utilize this page, so that's super cool. And I believe it just starts you right off. It just jumps right in there. So this is the first page for January. So you get, again, an affirmation quote to start the year. And then you get into, this is a little bit different from the planner from last year that I had, but you get a kind of like a dashboard page with, you can utilize for birthdays, your goals. You know, you can do notes here or notes here, however you want to utilize it, but there's space to do some things here. So you don't have to write your goals on the note page, or you can if you want to keep it all together. Next is the calendar dashboard, of course, and we all used to what that looks like. It's got some little color up here for the colorful planner, so that's pretty cool, but nothing out of the ordinary. She just added a little color to the page. So she did take away the flag though, because there used to be a flag here. So she took that away, and then I guess added the little strips there. So that's pretty normal. And then of course the pages, the note pages. So it's 2, 4, I believe that's it, yeah. And then you start the new month. So yeah, so that's pretty typical of the way the planner was before. And then you start your next month, which is February, with an affirmation, and again, note page, you know, goals, birthdays, things of that nature. And then you get right into the calendar, and then it just goes that way until the end. Then there are additional pages in the notes section. I love this notes section. I utilize it a lot for different trackers that I like to maintain. So I love the extra pages. This is super cool. And then of course there are some stickers, little note stickers here in the back, asterisk stickers. So that's pretty cool. And that's per usual. She gives you stickers in the back of the planner, and you also get a pocket page on both sides, so that if you want to keep things in, and I utilize this a lot, I'll throw, because this is my financial planner, I will throw like certain bills that I haven't, like there's certain bills that aren't on email that I don't get, you know, via email, and couple of them I'll get in the mail, or every now and then I'll get a toll ticket for like $3 or something like that, because I didn't put my transponder in, because I was, I don't know, using my son's car or something. It happens. Anyway, so this is a nice little spot to put things in that you still want to keep track of, so you know you have them when you're paying your bills, and you'll have that. And then again, you have another laminated back page. You can utilize this as well. Use your Sharpie, and then you can just use your hand sanitizer or nail polish remover to remove it. And then you have the back page, of course, which is like the cover page. I did get mine personalized, and I think most people do when they get, order an Erin Condren planner. They, want to personalize it. So I just put Lushawn's budget because this is my budget. My last, the budget planner I'm currently in now says Lushawn's Lifestyle, which is my channel. So this one I just wanted to be, just a tad bit more personal, and it's my budget, so it's how I handle it. So yeah, so I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I can't wait till I get to start using it. So yeah, so that is it in a nutshell. Just wanted to pop in here and show you all my planner. I was just so happy to get it, and I can't wait till the beginning of, well, actually I'll start using it next month in December to prepare and prep for January's budget. So if you've lasted this long in the video, you already know you're a lifestyler. And until my next video, hugs and love. And thanks so much for those of you who have been supporting the channel. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe.